Ukraine reports new Russian attacks with 42 drones. Ukraine said Wednesday that Russia's latest round of overnight attacks included 42 drones that targeted 8 Ukrainian regions, as well as 5 Russian missiles. The Ukrainian Air Forces said the country's air defenses shot down 38 of the 42 drones. The intercepts took place over the Dnipropetrovsk, Odesa, Kherson, Khmelnytskyi, Cherkasy, Kharkiv, Vinnytsia and Sumy regions, the Air Force said. Ukraine's prosecutor general said 7 people in Sumy were injured. Serhiy Lysak, the regional governor in Dnipropetrovsk, reported damage to a power line but said no one was injured. Russian officials said 2 Ukrainian drones attacked fuel facilities at one of Russia's largest iron ore plants Wednesday. Roman Staravoit, governor of the Kursk region, said the attack happened at the Mikhailovsky GOK iron ore plant, causing a fire but no injuries. Russia's defense ministry said Wednesday it thwarted 2 Ukrainian drone attacks over the Voronezh region and another over the Belgorod region in western Russia. The Kremlin on Wednesday rejected the International Criminal Court's announcement of arrest warrants issued for 2 high-ranking Russian commanders wanted for suspected war crimes, including directing attacks against civilian infrastructure in Ukraine. "We don't recognize this," Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov told reporters. The warrants were issued for Lieutenant General Sergei Ivanovich Kobolash, who commanded Russia's long-range aviation of the Aerospace Force and Navy ADM, Viktor Kinolayevich Sokolov, who commanded Russia's Black Sea Fleet. "I have repeatedly emphasized that those responsible for actions that impact innocent civilians or protected objects must know that this conduct is bound by a set of rules reflected in international humanitarian law," ICC prosecutor Karim Khan said in a statement. "All wars have rules. Those rules bind all without exception." Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky welcomed the development and expressed his thanks in his nightly address to all the officials who are investigating Russian war crimes. "Every Russian commander who orders strikes against Ukrainian civilians and critical infrastructure must know that justice will be served. Every perpetrator of such crimes must know that they will be held accountable," Zelensky wrote on X. More to subscribe. For the latest news on this story, keep checking back at the Technical Bashir.